Restore Skills is a program that is set up on an iPad, a TV, a laptop, can focus on different areas of the body, whether it is shoulder strength, sitting balance, standing balance, or functional skills. The best features about Restore that stand out to us, the idea that you don't have to use a remote control, because a lot of patients have trouble manipulating that.
The Restore helps in the sense that I'm doing something with my arms that I'm normally not accustomed to.
You use your mind a lot more on it in concentration, which people need to keep alert.
3 benefits we've experienced as a result of using Restore would be increased activity participation with our patients, increased strength with our patients, and then improved overall balance with our patients.